Boy, this thing is sure a big old beauty. Look how big this thing is. I'm Dale, by the way. I'm the design engineer, the founder, and the manufacturer of the BLUELINE Rock Grizzly. We're here today to talk to you about this Diamond class. Now, this Diamond class, this is the 8 to 10 yard machine. It's going to service the 988 class, the 944 class. Quite honestly, this BLUELINE Rock Grizzly is the only viable design at this scale. You know, we want to bring it to you because there's things that matter when you get to this size. Naturally, safety. And what we would talk about with safety is plugging up rocks and having to get up in here and knock rocks out of it. Well, this thing is going to clean itself, so you don't have any safety issues. Performance value. Performance value matters because, I mean, why would you dump material over something that's plugging up? So when we're getting a clean, efficient split of our material and the Grizzly deck is not plugging up, well, what we have there is production value, right? So there's your performance and your production value. And then thirdly, we're looking at the service life of the machine so that if it's not plugging up, you're not attacking it with a tractor, okay? We bring all these features together to benefit you, and here at BLUELINE, it is absolutely all about you.
BLUELINE Rock Grizzly. BLUELINE Rock Grizzly.
Nothing like good dogs. Yeah, for more information, everybody, head on over to BLUELINERockGrizzly.com, BLUELINE Rock Grizzly Facebook page, BLUELINE Rock Grizzly YouTube page, and naturally just type in BLUELINE Rock Grizzly and you'll find us. And by the way, if you'd like more information than that, a formal quote, just to understand something about your specific application, give me a call on the phone. I'm always happy to chat with you. Okay? Take care, everybody.
BLUELINE Rock Grizzly. Come on, get your split on. No plugging and aggravation. Saving your time and making you money. Man, that BLUELINE. That BLUELINE sweet as honey.